Everyone's getting this DJI Mavic 3 Classic, but is it really worth it? Here are 3 things you need to know about this professional grade drone. First off, tired of drones with subpar camera quality that fail to capture breathtaking visuals? The Mavic 3 Classic features a legendary 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, customized for compact excellence by the Swedish brand Hasselblad. It's not just a drone, it's a visual powerhouse that turns your aerial shots into professional grade masterpieces. Second, fed up with drones that barely stay in the air, limiting your flight time and content creation. With a 46-minute max flight time, this drone empowers creators with an extended hovering capability. No more worries about running out of battery mid-flight. This is a reliable friend that ensures you capture more content with less hassle. Third, are you concerned about crashing your drone due to limited obstacle detection capabilities? The Mavic 3 Classic boasts omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APAS 5.0, detecting objects in all directions during flights. It smoothly avoids obstacles, making every flight exceptionally safe. We could say confidently that this is a guardian in the air, minimizing the risk of accidents. All this is to say that the DJI Mavic 3 Classic isn't just a drone, it's a game changer for professionals. It solves the problems of subpar camera quality, limited flight time, and safety concerns. It's a visual powerhouse, a reliable companion, and a smart guardian in the sky. If you are serious about aerial content creation, this drone is the answer.